Autumn. For those of you who do not know me or are new to my channel, welcome. On this channel, we do a bunch of cleaning videos, organizational videos, hauls, tutorials, pretty much the whole shebang, like a normal lifestyle YouTuber. Today's video is going to be deep cleaning my kitchen. I'm going to be having to do dishes. I'm probably going to be wiping down the cabinets because they have like a bunch of dust all over them, wiping down my refrigerator. So I'm just going to be doing a deep clean, spring cleaning, I guess you can call it, of my kitchen. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, so dishes are now done. So now I am going to first have a coffee break. Alright, so I'm literally going to wipe from the top down of all my cabinets because they are disgusting. There is like oil splatters all on those ones by the stove. So yeah, I'm just gonna work from the top down, probably get some of these lights. Not even gonna try to touch these lights up here. That's just way too centered and I wouldn't be able to reach that. But yeah, so doing that. I am working in between this too, but the system's down, so I'm not even gonna try to even work right now. But yeah, so let's get started.
Feels like, don't say you don't need me at all. And forgive me if I hurt you, baby. Don't you say that I did on purpose, baby, no. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know that I'm sorry, but you don't. Where are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me, baby, hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know that I'm sorry, but you don't. Where are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me, baby, hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. I got a kiss since I met you. I got your name on my notes. I got everything, but I don't have you. 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 I got a bear that I rescued. I got a love that I lost. I got a kiss since I met you. I got your name on my notes. I got everything, but I don't have you. I got everything, but I don't have you. I got everything, but I don't have you. I got everything, but I don't have you.
By the way, if anyone's wondering, I am using the Method All-Purpose Cuts, Grease, and Grime Cleaner. It is in the smell French Lavender, and it is amazing. I highly recommend it. It smells amazing. Okay, back to cleaning. Alright guys, so I hope you did like today's video. It was very long and exhausting, but so worth it. So again, it was my deep clean, spring clean with me kitchen. So I will probably be doing like my bedroom, the guest room. Actually, the guest room, we finally got rid of our bed, so we're gonna be trying to get a couch soon, I believe, after all this whole pandemic thing is over with. And once the furniture stores open back up, we will probably do that. But yeah, so I hope you liked today's video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.